Then welcome back to the channel SPCD Creation, or just welcome if you are new around here. So today we are going to do part number 2 of question paper. The part 1 is available in the description box. From 1 to question number 16 we have done over there. Rest question we are starting now. Let's start with the question 17. Relational database scheme normalization is not for, and the correct option is option A, reducing the number of joins required to satisfy a query. Moving on to the next question, question 18. Consider the following statement regarding relational database model, and the correct answer is fourth option. A, B and C are true. This one is the correct option. Moving on to the next question, which is question 19. Consider the following entity relationship ER diagram and three possible relationships, set 1, 2 and 3 for this ER diagram, and the correct option is here first only. The first option is correct. Moving on to question number 20. Consider a database table R with attributes A and B. Which of the following SQL queries is illegal? And the correct option is second one. Select A, count from R. Moving on to the next question. Question number 21. Consider an implementation of unsorted single linked list. Suppose it has its representation with a head and a tail pointer, that is, pointers to the first and the last nodes of the linked list. Give the representation which of the following operation cannot be implemented in one time. And the correct option is fourth option. Fourth one is the correct. Moving on to the next question. Question number 22. Consider an undirected graph G where self loops are not allowed. The vertex of set of G is given here. There is an edge between A, B, C, D. If this and this, the number of edge in this graph is, then the answer is option number third, 506. This is the correct answer. The next question, question number 23. The runtime for traveling all the nodes of a binary search tree with n nodes and printing them in an order, and the answer will be the O, and this one is the correct answer. Moving to the next question. Question 24. Consider the following statements. A queue can be implemented using two stacks. A stack can be implemented using two queues, and the correct answer is option third, both. Statement 1 and statement 2 both are correct. Next question, question 25. Given the following prefix expression, what is the value of prefix expression? It is solved over here. This one is the solution, and the correct answer is 2205. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following statement is not true with respect to microwaves? And the correct answer is first one. Electromagnetic waves with frequencies from 300 GHz to 400 GHz. The next question. Question number 27. In a fast Ethernet cabling, 100 base TX uses dash cable and maximum segment sizes dash, and the correct answer is option 1. This one is the correct answer. Question number 28 is a network with bandwidth of 10 Mbps can pass only an average of 12,000 frames per minute, with each frame carrying an average of 10,000 bits. What is the throughput of this network? And the correct answer is second option, 2 Mbps. Moving on to next question, question 29. Match the following and the matching code. Which one of the right one is this one? The first option is the right matching code. Moving on to the next question. Question number 30. Which one of the following protocols is using by email server to maintain a central repository that can be accessed from any machine? And the correct answer is second one, IMAP. The next question is the number of strings of length 4 that can be generated by the regular expression, where I is an alternate character and these are quantification characters. And the correct answer is 10. 10 is the correct answer. Next question. The content of a calculator after the execution of the following 8085 assembly language program is, and the correct answer is 2FH. The fourth one is the correct option. Moving on to the question 33. Next question, in impeller optimization, operator strength reduction uses mathematical identities to replace slow math operations with fast operations. Which of the following code replacement is an illustration of operation strength reduction? And the correct answer is option 2 is the correct. Next question. Question 34. Which one of the following are the principal tasks of the linker? And the correct answer is option number 2, first and third, from these all statements. Next one. Which of the following is false? From all these statements we have to choose which of the following is not correct. And the correct answer is this one. The second statement is not correct, and ambiguous grammar has same leftmost and rightmost derivation. Next question, question number 36. Consider arithmetic with 7 processes A through G and 6 resources R through W, and the correct option is option number 3. Yes, D, E, G. The next question, 37. Suppose that the virtual address space has 8 pages and physical memory with 4 pages frames. If LRU page replacement algorithm is used, dash number of pages faults occur with reference string, and the correct option is option number 2. 12 is the correct answer. Moving to the next question, question number 38. Consider a system having m resources of the same type. The resources are shared by 3 processes, process 1, process 2 and process 3, which have peak demands of 2, 5 and 7 resources respectively. For what value of m deadlock will not occur? And the correct answer is option 3. 13 is the correct answer. Next question, question 39. 5 jobs A, B, C, D and E are waiting in ready queue. Their expected run times are 9, 6, 3, 5 and X respectively. All jobs entered in ready queue at time 0. They must run in dash order to minimize average response time if 3 is smaller than X is smaller than 5. And the correct answer is option number 2, C, E, D, B and A. Moving on to the next question, question 40. Consider 3 CPU intensive processes. Process 1, 2 and 3, which require 20, 10 and 30 units of time, arrives at times 1, 3 and 7 respectively. Suppose operating system is implementing shortcuts remaining time first algorithm, then dash context switches are required. So the correct answer is option 3. Option first, and the correct answer is 3. Next, question number 41. Which of the following is used to determine the specificity of requirements? And the correct answer is option 2. Moving to the next question, question 42. The major shortcoming of waterfall model is first option is the correct option. Next question. The question 43. The quick design of a software that is visible to end users leads to. The correct option is second option. Next question. For the program of k variables, boundary value analysis yields dash test cases, and the correct option is third one, 4k plus 1, and the correct option is third one. Next question. Question number 45. The extent to which a software performs its extended functions without failure is termed as. The correct answer is third one. Next question 46. An attacker sits between the sender and receiver and captures the information and transmit to the receiver after some time without alerting the information. This attack is called as. The correct answer is first one, denial of service attack. Next question, question number 47. Dash is a subject oriented, integrated, time variant, non-volatile collection of data in support of management decisions, and the correct option of answer of this question is third one, data warehouse. Next question, question 48. In data mining, classification rules are extracted from, and the correct option is option number third, decision tree. Moving to the next question, discovery of the cross sales opportunities is called as. The correct answer is association, which is the first option. Moving to the last question but not the least, in data mining, dash is a method of incremental conceptual clustering, and the correct answer is option number 2, cobweb. Thanks for the watching of this video. Hope you liked it. Please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.